Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use RyTuneX on Windows 11. RyTuneX is a free utility that helps you optimize Windows, improve privacy, manage services, remove unwanted apps, and access many useful system tweaks, all from one modern interface. Let's get started. First, click Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Now, type the following command shown on the screen, or copy command from the description, then paste here and press Enter. Type Y, then press Enter. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it's finished, close Command Prompt. Click Start, type RyTuneX, and open the application. The first time you launch RyTuneX, it will ask you to create a system restore point before making any changes. Click Continue. Make sure your C drive protection is turned on. Then click Create, enter a name for the restore point, and click Create again. Once the restore point is created successfully, you can start using RyTuneX safely. This is the main dashboard where you can quickly access the application's features and view basic system information. Optimize. Use this section to improve Windows performance with recommended optimization settings. Services. Enable or disable Windows services to reduce background activity and improve system performance. Processes. View running processes and stop unnecessary applications that are consuming system resources. Repair. This section contains built-in tools to help fix common Windows issues using DSM, SFC, and checklist. You can also check your battery health. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to test your RAM and restore important system components to keep your PC running smoothly. Debloat. Remove pre-installed apps and unnecessary Windows components to free up storage and keep your system clean. You can also uninstall unwanted installed apps or problematic applications that you no longer need. Packages. Install, update, or uninstall popular applications using Windows Package Manager from one convenient place. Privacy. This section includes privacy-related settings, such as disabling the advertising ID, tailored experiences, spotlight features, feedback notifications, cloud-optimized content, and other tracking features to help protect your privacy. Features. Enable or disable optional Windows features without navigating through multiple Windows settings. Networking. Access useful networking tweaks and tools to reset or optimize your internet connection. Security. Manage Windows security-related settings to improve system protection and control. Policies. Configure Windows policies that normally require Group Policy Editor or registry changes. Device. View and manage hardware-related settings and device options. That's how you install and use RyTuneX on Windows 11. Remember to review each option before applying changes, especially if you're not familiar with what a setting does. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.